Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Unice Hair Amazon. This is their beautiful pre-everything body wave lace frontal wig. Now this wig does come with a 13x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached lace. It also is 100% human hair. I have it in 24 inches. And I will say that this hair is more so on the thicker side. I wouldn't say that it's a full 180% density, but it's definitely not 150. I feel like it's kind of in between, if that makes any sense. This is considered to be a ready to go wig, mostly because all the hard work is already done for you. The hair even comes pre-curled as well. And it also does come with the ear tape adhesives as well as the elastic drawstring. This wig can be parted on the side if you would like it to be. It's a 13x4, so you can rock a middle part or you can rock a side part, whichever you prefer. This is going to be a really quick and simple wig install, you guys. This is perfect for all my beginners out there who prefer lace frontals over closures. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. And we didn't even really have to do too much with the styling because, again, as you guys can see, the hair does come pre-curled for you. So I'm just going to give you guys some close-ups of that lace, especially. You guys see it's a nice thin lace. It has the ear tape adhesives, which makes it quick and easy to lay down your lace. It has the adjustable elastic band and the drawstring that I was talking to you guys about earlier. So first things first, you're just going to add some foundation all over the lace as usual, and then you're going to go ahead and throw the wig on. Make sure everything is fitting nice and securely. Get all of the little hairs away from the lace as well, that way you have a clean space to work with. So right now I'm just showing you guys that the wig fits very comfortably around my ears, which is always a plus. We're going to use that ear tape adhesive in just a second, but I want to show you guys how to use the drawstring. It operates just like any other drawstring. You just pull it down to tighten it, and this tightens the entire wig cap from the front all the way to the back. I actually prefer these drawstrings a whole lot better than the adjustable straps. The drawstrings make so much more of a difference. Those adjustable straps really don't do too much. So anyways, you're going to go ahead and use the ear tape adhesive as well. It's real simple. Just pull off that beige strip and just stick it down to your skin. It's a double-sided tape, so one side will stick to the lace, the other side will stick to your skin. And you guys know, in my situation, my sideburns are always in the way, so I always have to be extra careful with using these ear tape adhesives. And as far as taking it off, I like to just dab a little bit of oil on the lace, that way I'm not pulling out any of my own hair. And yes, you will have to replace the ear tape adhesives every single time you take off this wig unit. That way you're working with a fresh piece of tape. Now the ear tape adhesives is optional. You can use it if you would like to. They do send extras, or you can just go in with some regular spray because that drawstring again does enough. So me personally, I would use the spray over the ear tape adhesives, but it's completely up to you. As you guys can see, I did decide to dab just a little bit of spray on the edge of the lace just to make sure every single piece is laying as flat as possible, because when I add the foundation, I want it to look very seamless and make it look like it's really my scalp. Alright, now that the lace is secure, I'm going to go ahead and move forward with the rest of the hair. It did come pre-curled, so I really don't have to worry too much about the styling, but I did decide to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to ensure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible, and I will be sticking with a middle part today. So I really don't want to have to recurl the hair. You guys know I have a bad habit of doing that, but I really want to make sure my curls look fresh. So I just went in with my wax stick and kind of just rubbed it on the hair because there were a lot of flyaways and the hair was looking a little frizzy. So I just used my wax stick and my wide tooth comb to brush the hair through. And the only pieces that I decided to recurl was just the front. I'm also going to add some more foundation right in that middle part area to kind of help mimic my scalp a lot more. Okay, you guys, this is what we are working with. How pretty is she? The wig came out super nice, and again, it is considered a ready to go wig, mostly because they took care of all the lace issues for you. They plucked it, they cut the lace, they also bleached the knots for you, so that's taken care of. And also they did curl the hair for you, so the hair does come pre-styled. And again, it's completely up to you if you would like to do a little bit more with it, or if you just kept it a whole lot simple, just like I did. I am a simple girly, you guys know that, and I represent for all of us, okay? I do not like to take a lot of time doing my wig units. Wigs are supposed to be convenience, so I don't really see the point of having to spend, 2+ hours doing your hair whenever it comes to wigs. It should be very quick, very easy. It should not be as complicated, and this is a great example of that. This is a great beginner-friendly wig unit, a great everyday type of wig, and you can do whatever you like. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you next time.